Find x in the triangle below, given your answer to one decimal place. So the angle I'm trying to find, I'll call that A, and the side opposite it is A. And then this is B, and this is B. Once again, we know both B's, so that's going to be the sine rule. And we can use sine A over A is equal to sine B over B. So I've turned these both upside down. You don't need to do that if you're simply solving on the calculator. Substitute in what we know. Sine x over 6 is equal to sine 120 over 15. So sine x is going to be 6 times sine 120 over 15. And so we can say that x is the inverse sine of 6 times sine 120 over 15. So we want the inverse sine of 6 multiplied by sine 120, and we'll divide that by 15, like so, and that gives me 20.3 degrees. Now, note what happens if we try to solve at this point here. So I'm just going to clear a bit of space so we can see this. So we want to solve, and then we've got sine of x divided by 6. That's equal to sine of 120 over 15. And let's just execute that. And notice it gives us this 360 times a constant, add 159.73, and 360 times another constant, add the 20.3 degrees which we gave as our answer. That's because this equation actually has infinitely many solutions. So the calculator is giving us an expression for all of them. But of course we're in a triangle, so our answers can only be between 0 and 180. Now one thing that we can do here to get an answer that's only in that range is to use this line here, which means given, and then we can say naught is less than or equal to, if we can find where the less than or equal to is, it's here somewhere, there it is, less than or equal to x, which is less than or equal to 180. So we're restricting our answer to be between 0 and 180. If we execute again, we get 159.7 and we get 20.3. Now we get both of those solutions in that range because the calculator knows about this. But we need to additionally use our brain to know that we already had one angle that was 120, so we can't get an obtuse angle here. It has to be the acute angle, and hence the 20.3.